Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fox, and let's talk about the laryngeal muscles. In this video, we'll describe and give examples of extrinsic versus intrinsic muscles of the larynx and their various functions. We'll also outline the effects of intrinsic muscle actions on the rheumatoglottitis, ventilation pathway, and phonation. So let's begin with extrinsic laryngeal muscles. Anything which is extrinsic connects to something not of it. So these are muscles which connect the larynx to other regions of the body. There are two major ways in which extrinsic laryngeal muscles may affect the larynx. They may elevate it such that it occupies a higher position, or they may depress it such that it occupies a lower position. A higher larynx provides a brighter, more fuller voice, whereas a lower larynx provides deeper resonance. There are several groups of muscles which can affect the position of the larynx extrinsically. The suprahyoid muscles. The suprahyoid muscles, when tense, slightly elevate the hyoid and by extension, slightly elevate the larynx. The infrahyoid muscles, both superficial and deep groups. They can do different things. So, for instance, of the deep group, the thyrohyoid muscle can elevate the larynx. The sternothyroid muscle can depress the larynx. So, two different movements from the same group of muscles, albeit different muscles. And then finally, the longitudinal pharyngeal muscles are capable of elevating the larynx. So, stylo, salpingo-pharyngeus, palatopharyngeus, all of those can elevate the larynx. For finer scale control over phonation and for optimizing ventilation or phonation, we turn to intrinsic laryngeal muscles. These are muscles which are entirely within the laryngoskeleton, connecting one element of the laryngoskeleton to another. There are a couple of basic motions here to understand. So these are complementary pairs. So we can abduct or adduct vocal folds or ligaments. So thinking about this from a superior view, abduction is increasing the size of the rheumatoglottitis, or adduction is decreasing the size. Abduction favors ventilation, adduction favors phonation. We can also increase or decrease tension on the vocal ligaments. Now, pitch is proportional to tension. So the greater the pitch is the result of more tension. The lower the pitch is also the result of less tension. Most of these intrinsic laryngeal muscles, all but one, are innervated by branches of the vagus nerve called the recurrent laryngeal nerves. The one exception is the cricothyroid muscle, which acts upon the cricothyroid joint. That muscle is innervated by the external branch of the superior laryngeal nerve, as we'll come to learn. So let's assess our knowledge. How would vocal folds be positioned so as to maximize ventilation over phonation? A, abducted, or B, adducted? Well, ventilation is wide. That is abducted. Phonation is narrow. That's adducted. So the correct answer is A. Vocal folds abducted. Thanks so much for your time, and I can't wait to talk to you in the next video.